The testimony of Lourentia Lombaard, a state witness in the trial involving the disappearance of then 6-year-old Joshlin Smith, has come under intense scrutiny after several inconsistencies emerged under cross-examination. Lombaard, who initially confessed to police, now admits that she lied. In that statement, the co-accused turned state witness has been central in implicating Joshlin's mother, Kelly Smith, her boyfriend, Jacquen Appollis, and their friend, Stevano van Rhyn, on charges of kidnapping and human trafficking. Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi Same filed this report.
On Thursday, as the proceedings concluded the third week, the cracks in Lombaard's testimony began to show. When pressed about the inconsistencies in her statement and confession taken just 6 months apart, Lombaard said she was confused, had made mistakes, or simply could not remember key details. During cross-examination, Advocate Fani Harmsa, defense lawyer for Jacquen Appollis, and Judge Nathan Erasmus took turns in relentlessly questioning Lombaard about multiple contradictions.
This discussion about how the money was going to be divided, you described that in your 204 statement as that it happened on the Sunday.
That's correct, my lord.
Are you sure about that?
That's correct, my lord.
So why did you tell Captain Sillier that that discussion took place on the Monday? But if you went home and didn't go back to Kelly's house, it then makes sense that the money discussion didn't take place that Sunday evening or late afternoon. Was that true?
No, my lord.
No, my lord.
So did you then lie to Captain Sillier?
That's correct, my lord.
That's correct, my lord.
Previously, Lombaard testified that Kelly promised to pay Lombaard and Stevano van Rhyn for their silence, while taking the rest to be shared between her and Appollis.
Now, I can tell you that you told her about the division of the money because I saw the video last night. But what did you tell her? When did that happen?
Ik het vir die wat vir hom gereed.
I told the white lady with the grey hair.
Maar die geld is R1000 en R2000. Dat is R200 was geweest die Sondag.
And the money of the R1,000 and 1,200, that was the Sunday.
And that was the truth.
That's correct, my lord.
That's correct, my lord.
Would you be surprised that on the video you said that happened on the Monday?
Dan was ek confused geweest, meneer.
Then I was confused, sir.
The defense has seized on these contradictions, with Advocate Harmsa continuing to try and discredit Lombaard's testimony. Previously, Lombaard testified that in a fit of anger, Kelly cut her arm while breaking a window with a stone the day before Joshlin disappeared. Appollis, who was there according to Lombaard, denied the allegation.
Are you saying Mr. Appollis is lying?
That's correct, my lord.
That's correct, my lord.
Before that time on Sunday, had you been smoking mandrake, stick or anything?
No, my lord.
No, my lord.
Did you smoke it all on Sunday?
Ek het gerook die Sondag, my lord.
Yes, I smoked the Sunday.
Why do you say it's evening? What makes you say that it was evening?
Want dit Ayanda het my die geld gegee die aand.
It's because Ayanda gave me money the evening.
What time did Ayanda come back from work?
Ag ek het Ayanda al reeds by die huis.
8 o'clock, Ayanda was already at home.
And you can't tell this court what time you got to your house. It's asking you to estimate because you've done it before.
Ek weet hoe laat was dit geweest nie.
I don't know what time it was.
The trial adjourned on Thursday after hours of questioning, and the cross-examination of Lourentia Lombaard will continue on Monday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi Same in Saldanha Bay.